So as you can see, when the battery got charged, this light will flash up, and it means the battery are now fully charged. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see unboxing and review of Duracell rechargeable AA battery pack. Okay, so I purchased this from Amazon.ae. It came from I think USA directly to Dubai, and I got this pack for, yeah, it's from USA. So as you can see, this charging pin, it's a US type charging pin, and I purchased this for 50 dirhams, so about 1000 rupees. We are getting 4 AA cell which is rechargeable with this rechargeable charger. So we are getting a charger, we are getting 4 rechargeable battery of Duracell in this pack. Okay, so let's see what we are getting in this pack. Over here it is written Duracell rechargeable batteries, value charge. It can charge in 4 to 8 hours. Full charge you can get for these batteries. Okay, on the back side we are getting some information. Let's see. Okay, so it lasts for 10 years. That's nice. It's work with or rechargeable AA and AAA batteries, so you can use this charger to recharge AA as well as AAA batteries. That's nice. Over here we have written some warning information, compliance, and it is made in China products. Let's open this quickly. So you can easily open through this pack over here on the bottom side, and we are getting this charger having this Duracell logo, and we are getting 4 batteries. This is a manual for this. Okay, on the back side you have written Duracell and nickel class 2 battery charger. Input range is 100 to 240 voltage AC current, 50 to 60 hertz frequency, and then output source is 3 volt, that you will get 360 milliampere for a battery of AA and 180 milliampere current for AAA. So let's so this is a charging port where you can put it, and let's see how we are getting it. So I am now putting it over here in the plug, and as soon as I put it, you can see that now it is charging. So it is red, that means the batteries are now recharging, and then when it becomes green, you can just take it out. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you. So as you can see, when the battery got charged, this light will flash up, and it means the battery are now fully charged.